Welcome back again. In previous video I have told you how to download Primavera P6. Now in this video I am going to show you how you can install it in your laptop or PC. uh, After you extract file, you will get this type of folder, and go right click and again right click on this type this folder, this P6 Pro, and you will get this installation set of application, and you go right click on it. Since I've already installed it on my laptop, so you just click it and you will get this type of box. Okay, then you just click on typical and go do OK. After that you will get this type of box and hit install. Then you will get this type of box. Then you just click on run database configuration, then OK. And after that you will get this type of boxes, and you will just press P6 Pro stand alone SQLite, or in some case you will also get this type of boxes, and you just click on add a new standalone dat database and connection, then do next. This type of box you will this above box you will find in Primavera Professionals 18. This is 18, and you are now downloading or installing Primavera P622. So you will not get these boxes, you will directly get these boxes. Then just click on add a new standalone database and connection and do next, and you will there will be appear not just same like this box but some different like this, but the work is same. So you now enter password, anything you can enter new password, and you just do confirm and do next. And after that the software will automatically download, and you just go to search and you click P6. Then you will get this three types of uh, icon, and you just go professional and just do open. After that you will it will ask an a password, the password that you uh, type just above, just be behind the, then just click your password that you type, then connect. Okay, now you will get this type of screen. So you will get this type of screen, and it's ready to use. Thank you very much.